Hello, this is Ambassador Devichelle Johnson, and we are on site 700 Sustainable Farm. This is day 18. I'm going to show you how we repurposed a barrel that I've had for 5 years here in Ghana that I used to ship my things from America when we moved here in 2021. So we've been on site turning waste to wealth and repurposing old doors, wood scraps, pieces of metal that we found all over this property. And so we took the barrel and we cut it in half the long way. We tried to use it for a raised bed, but that really wasn't working for multiple reasons. And so I wanted to then try to use it for a chair or some other things. And I said, well, why don't we use it for a table out here in our outdoor patio? So we had a bunch of pallets that we also broke apart to make some parts of this patio. So what we did was we took the barrel, we cut it in half the long way, and then we took the pallet, and the underside of the pallet has a long piece that actually supports the pieces of the pallet. That's how it's made. So we took one of those pieces and we nailed it bottom side to the bottom of the barrel so that it provided some stability and a flat surface. We then took two pieces of 1x2 and cut them somewhat the length of the arc of the curve of the barrel and attached those with two pieces of nails to act as the base, and this is what will sit on top of the blocks. So if you turn around, you can see there's 3 blocks that we've set up here in the corner already, and each of these 2 pieces of wood will sit on top of those 2 blocks, and then we'll build a support system that keeps it in place. So right now, because it's a barrel, there's an open end on this side, and because it's a table, we can do one of 2 things. We can put it up on the blocks as it is, and then just slide a top on top, put the supports, and leave it, and then that way you can have easy access to slide things in and out. But the way that we've constructed this outdoor area, we want to close each end, and then take a reclaimed piece of wood that we found outside, and we're going to attach it to the end, and this is part of our support structure that's going to hold the top of the table, but it's also going to provide support on the end, cover the end, so that we can attach the support structure. So first thing we need to do is make sure that it doesn't keep wobbling around and that this piece of wood actually stays in place. So we're going to use a little bit of physics and also just some regular carpentry, and put nails in strategic places that not only hold the barrel in place, but also will attach this wood to the support system at the bottom. So if you look at it from this way, we're taking this piece of wood and we're putting it on the top of the pallet here that we attach to the bottom. So these nails will stay like this because we'll attach a supporting piece on top when we're done. So we're going to take this piece of wood and just sit it here, and then we're going to attach, make sure that it's the same length from here to here, because that's how high we need to put an additional piece of wood, because we want it to sit like this so that it's level for each side. So that means there's a gap down here. So what we can do also is take a piece of batten, because they're everywhere. We'll take the nails out. And we also reuse all of our nails. So
meaning they go back into wood.
They go back, yes, they go back into wood. So don't think that you can't reuse the nails, because most of the things that we built out here have been with this reclaimed wood and also with the nails.
As you see, she is working, so I can't say she's not working.
So we're going to cut this into like little small pieces that are probably the same length as this. So this will be about 2 inches. So my handy dandy saw is somewhere. Where did it go? Already storing things. So going to, no measurement required. You just need some small pieces. So, and batten is probably the easiest thing to cut. If you saw my earlier videos from the house demonstration farm, the children were cutting these battens to make the little picket blue fences that you can still see out here at the farm. So you want to cut enough of these small pieces that and we'll put it there, and then we need to cut maybe 3 more of these.
Oh. As you see, you guys, it's about the size of one piece. For this, that will eventually go here like that, as you can see.
So we can always check and see if that's enough space. You always want to put the flat side down. Looks like we're about level of where we need to be. You can put them there. Thank you. So this is round about the height that we need to get it to. As you can see, it's the same. That's why I like to use battens, because they're usually hanging around. They're not hard to cut and they're good pieces. So we're going to take a nail, the same nail that we took out of the batten.
The same nail, y'all.
The same nail, y'all.
Don't
Biggie,
think that's
are you
different.
supervising?
It's the same thing.
Are you supervising,
As you
Biggie?
see, the dog is supervising.
Biggie likes to supervise.
Yes, Biggie is
He's
supervising.
the master supervisor.
Yes.
Biggie, I need you to move slow. So we're going to put this.
As you see, she's banging the wood, or wood banging, as I would
So now
say.
we put that piece in. We're going to make sure it's where it needs to be. As you can see, it's level. We can put a piece flat here. That means we'll go from here to here.
Yes, sir.
So now we need to take our 3-inch nails, which we don't have anymore. Oh, where's the 3-inch nails? Do you have the 3-inch nails, Rasta? Did he take the dog?
Yes.
So you want to keep level, but over here at the bottom, once you get it level here, you want to take 2 nails, put them here, and that same piece of batten, so that it doesn't move. Just like that. Oh.
One of them fell out. You might have some trouble with it, guys, but it's a good way.
Oh! Well, I guess that batten didn't make it.
That batten did not make the cut, sorry.
That batten did not make the cuts. So, on to the next one. I think we're going to stick the batten back in there anyways.
You just bang it to the side.
And put it in this wood so that it stays. Aha!
Oh.
So that the wood doesn't come out. And then we're going to put another nail. My bag of nails. We're going to put another nail here on the end in the next spot so that this also doesn't move. Perfect. So now that we have the end piece where we know it's not going to come this way, we also need to make sure that the barrel stays in place from the bottom side. So we're going to put a nail here. And that will hold it on that side. And then we'll put another nail on this side, somewhat along the curvature. Okay, so the nails are on the bottom, so this will rest well. But then we also need to put nails on the edge. So, Ross, can you pick up the other end? Can you pick up the other end and turn it this way, please? So now we need to put nails on this end. Ross, can you put 2 nails on this end so that it doesn't come out like the other side? I already put the nails to keep it there. So we're going to put 2 nails on the outside edge. So once we're done putting these 2 nails on either side, we're going to rest it on top of the block so that you can see how we finish putting the rest of the support structure together. It's basically just 2 pieces of wood, so let's lift it up and put it in place. Or you actually put the 2 nails on this side first.
On the other side?
Yes, on this side too, please. So if you walk over here, looks like you see the finished product. This is what it looks like complete. This is the board on the end that we placed. These are the 2 nails that Rasta is putting in right now. If you come over on this side, this is the same support structure with those same battens that we were talking about. This is the reclaimed piece of pallet. This is the reclaimed piece of pallet. This is the 1x2 that we put on the end. These are the pieces of batten to raise it high enough. These are the 2 nails that we put on the outside so that it wouldn't come out. This 3-foot piece of wood is sitting on the pallet, or it could go down to the ground where you can attach it to the pallet. But then this is what supports the end piece that then goes over there. So come and watch us put it up. Are you ready, Rasta, to put it up here? Let's just turn it around.
This is the finished product, and this is whilst they are putting it on there.
So here is the 3-foot piece. So the support. Not on the fence.
They're going to be doing a lot more cutting, guys. A lot more cutting to make the pieces fit. It's necessary in order to complete the work.
We put it in place. The tabletop will go on top.
Finger switching. Fingers.
So another reclaimed piece of wood
Will go on the top. Like that. She's going to sandwich it on there.
goes on top.
So bam.
You've made a table. Welcome to the recycling waste to wealth and One Sustainable Farm. And then if you come over here, as you remember, our barbecue pit is over here. This is where we're getting ready to transplant some vegetables. So on our next video, I will show you how we took a regular onion that we bought off the roadside. We put it in water so that the white roots would grow. And now we're going to plant them around our outdoor patio here at the 1 Hectare Sustainable Farm. See ya.